I saw this video, right? And I didn't think that was real. It's like this soft dough. But guys, don't eat it, okay? It's like really, it's like soft, okay? And I'll show you guys how to make it. I promise you guys, if you guys do it the exact way I do it, it's gonna work, okay? And I guess it's supposed to be like a squishy or something, but do it the exact way I'm doing it, and you'll have what I have right now. Okay, so I already used this, as you can see, on my shirt. So, because I already made mine. This is how it's gonna turn out if you do it right, okay? It's gonna be like a nice little soft dough. And it's really nice, okay? So, you wanna do like this kind and put it like right here, like right here. Be careful with the amount you put. Don't put a lot, okay? And it can either be like normal flour or it can be purple flour. It doesn't really matter. But you're gonna use like a soap, any kind of soap. But what I would use is Dawn dish soap. So make sure that you use a good amount. Okay, sorry. So I forgot. You're gonna wanna use like a hand cream or something. It's like hand cream, yeah. Which I'm trying right now, so I'm gonna put as much as I can. And, oh my gosh. And we're gonna put some of this. It should be looking like this. And then you're gonna get like gravy and you're just gonna mix it. So this is first. This is kind of like so floury. You're gonna wanna put no more hand cream. You're gonna wanna put more soap in there. Okay, and then it's gonna like get to like the point where it looks like this kind of, and you're gonna like dump it out to where it's not gonna be like really sticky and not like really floury. You're just gonna dump it out like this. And put all that like flour and stuff on where you left it, you know? Nice. This is my before one. Okay, and you're gonna want, if it gets like really sticky while you're playing with it, just keep adding flour into it, and it's gonna, I would recommend you put it in like a container or something, because then it's gonna be better. And you should, oh my gosh, and you should be looking like this. It doesn't really stick to your hand, it's good. It wouldn't be really stretchy, but it's like, you know, it's like a dough. And then there's my before and my after. I'm just gonna put them together. And then yeah, it's like a dough. And if you guys want to, you guys can put it into like a little squishy. I'll show you guys what. Get like something like this. Yeah, okay, hold on. You know, hold on. Okay, so mine's right here, and for now, and if it gets hard, I think you just throw it away. Or, I don't know how you fix it, but this, I'm just gonna use that for now. We're gonna like place it in this. Oh my gosh. And you can do like a nice dough without making your hands dirty. It's very, very soft. And we can move it around. And if it breaks, and if this one breaks, it's totally fine. You can just put another one over it. And that's how it works. It's so soft. I feel like it's played it for like forever. But yeah, that's how you make it a squishy. And if you don't want to, you can just hold it in your hand. It doesn't really matter. But that's all you need to make this. It's like hand cream. Which is like a bowl, so you can make it and soap.